All right, so in this video, I am going to show you guys the potential of building an AI influencer and how you can immediately start monetizing it. I found a great new affiliate platform that you can immediately get into and start building up your account. You can have a link in your bio, and anytime people click on that link and then take action, you can get paid for it. So I mentioned in the last video, these are some of the AI influencers that our company is producing right now, and we're going to build up profiles to all of them. The two profiles we have built up right now that we are building up is this Lila and then this Clarkson chick. And I can show you both of their profiles over here. So here is one of them, and then here is the other one. And so we've got both of these going. And like just to look at how realistic these are, I mean, these are all of the images we created. And then check out even like this video. Like it's just very realistic looking. It's pretty amazing actually. So we're going to be building this up. And as we build this up, we will have a link in bio or we will have a call to action. We're going to be doing some TikTok. We're going to be doing any way we can to build up these profiles to promote it. So check out this site that I did find. There'll be a link in the description below to this Glitchy site. But check this out. Like, so you can actually register to this and you can earn 15 bucks just by registering a free account. I had to actually join Discord because I didn't have a Discord account, but I did join Discord and then I've claimed this. I've made the $5 here. I talked to support, and they said within an hour or whatever, I'll be able to claim this because I did add my payment info. And then I'm going to start promoting offers. And once I get my first 10 clicks, I'll earn another $5. So literally cost me nothing. And I'll be able to earn 15 bucks just signing up at this site. Now, the reason we're signing up for this is because look at all the offers that they provide to us that we can immediately start putting in our links and bios of our AI influencers that we're building. So this influencer is going to probably be like fashion, shopping, things like that. So check this out over here on the featured offers. Look, H&M, that is a clothing store, a department store. So check this out. So here's the offer. You have to read the guidelines and then obviously read the rules. But look at how they're recommending that you promote this. Platforms to advertise on: TikTok, Instagram, Pinterest, Snapchat, YouTube. That's where they're recommending that you promote these offers. So if you want to preview the offer, you would just click this button right here. And then, let's see. And then basically what this is going to do is, do you like to shop online? As people go through this and answer these questions, you actually will get paid for that. So like, let's go back to offers here. That was for, so if you're doing, so like this other one right here, this Clarkson lady that we're building up, it looks like she's into fitness and she's into yoga. Like this one right here, we could actually be offering some sort of yoga type link. If you come over here, there's Lululemon. So the Lululemon one, you can preview the offers to see what they're about. So like 750 towards Lululemon. I can have this link in bio that says claim your $750 Lululemon gift card or whatever. Click the link, fill out, take a survey, collect a reward, whatever the pitch is going to be. You put that link in bio. Every time, they don't have to buy. They can simply they go through these surveys, they fill them out, they claim a few offers, they earn their 750 payout or whatever. You get paid $8 every time someone does that, and that doesn't even require a purchase. They have all types of offers. There's another one that is a yoga one right here called Aloe or whatever, Aloe Yoga. You can actually look at this one. It's very similar. $500 towards this. If they go through and answer the questions, step 1 through 3, they go fill that out, register to get the prizes or whatever, you're going to get paid $8 every time that happens. Here's the other cool thing. You get weekly payouts. That's almost unheard of, but it's a net 7, meaning that you get paid every week. So this week, whenever the week ends, if you get 1 or 2 of these, you're going to get paid out on those. It doesn't matter what you're doing. Like there's a couple of influencers that I watch that are just about they just test food, like they taste test food. They could go and actually they do a lot of like the fast food restaurants and stuff like that. They could put a KFC one of these in here and get paid an $8 payout every time. They could simply just say, check out the link in the bio and grab your $500 KFC gift card. Whatever they wanted to say to go call attention to people clicking that, you get several clicks, you're going to get some conversions out of that. Every time the person fills out the little opt-in thing, they're going to get paid $8. So this is kind of cool. And it's not hard to get into this site. That's why I'm saying, like, click if like I put the link below so that you guys can go check it out. It's super easy to get in. I signed up, and then what I did is I went and created a Discord account. Because on this homepage it was like, hey, you can go claim, and I did. I claimed the $5 already, earnings, it's already in my balance. And then I talked to them. I just added my payment info. So you do have to add your payment info, either get paid, I think, through Stripe or your bank account. I did my bank account. And I put my information in, and he said within an hour I will be able to claim that $5. And then I'm going to start promoting this, and when I get my first 10 clicks, I'll be able to claim another $5. So that's pretty cool. And there's a whole marketing like help and support and things like that. I actually want to show you guys. So if you think this is cool with AI influence, so here in this, the link to this software will also be, I think, the front end to make these types of avatars. So check this out. We have a whole gallery of stuff. Or here's one of our AI clones, and we can just make as many of these as we want. And then we've got some down here for right here. Like, these are some pretty cool images and pictures of yoga. Like, these are things we're going to be posting to the IG account to start building up the following. And then we will be putting offers in our links to start selling. We're using this software, which I think the base software is like under $40. There are some upsells with it, which aren't needed. AI socials is an upsell with it. This AI sellers is a upsell, and then this AI staff. So if you run a website and you want to put some sort of AI chatbot staff on your website, this was one of the upsells. But for what we're doing with these two Instagram accounts right here, we're only using this front end product right here, and we're creating custom influencers to build these out and to be able to promote affiliate offers. And then we're creating, I use System.io, we're creating a digital store for these people. So check this out. If you copy this, I showed this in my last video, which I'll link to at the end of this one, if you want to go back and watch that. But check this out. So health and fitness influencer, this is where we're going to collect leads. And then we can sell a workbook, and they can immediately buy right from this page right here. So, and this was just done as a sample. We don't have it complete yet, so it's not in the bio or anything. You can create things like this, or they also have in a sales funnel. I actually have I believe it's a demo is where I did it. Link in bio demo. Let me see. This is where I was, yeah. So like you can create one of these at whatever your username. This is just a template, but this is where you can link out to different offers. So you could say Lululemon $750 gift card. You could say KFC gift card. Whatever these offers are over here, you could be linking out to any one of these offers. And if people are choosing the offers, going through, filling out the survey, you're going to get paid $8 every time they do that. So, and you've got to find obviously an offer that will match up for whatever type of influencer you're building up. Now, the other thing I want to show you, so there is a Sephora one in here. Let me see if I can find it. Might not be on the featured, but I did see where they had a Sephora one. So I want to show you guys an ad. So if you think about this, there are so many things you can do with AI, and you don't, it is getting insane how cool it is. So you can take this and you can do these face swap things, and you can create a video. You can actually create like a talking head and do all of this stuff, or you can put in original video or an original image, and then you can say face swap and put my influencer's face on that image or in that video. And I want to show you guys something pretty cool right here. So check out, I'm gonna show you an ad sample of what you can create with the AI influencers you're creating. And I will show people how to do this. I do trainings every Wednesday. If you guys want to join that, it's the Market Pacer Accelerator group right here. I do free trainings at 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time every Wednesday. I'll have one tomorrow. It'll probably be the last one of the year since Christmas and New Year's falls on a Wednesday. But I will be still publishing videos and things like that. But this is where I get and I interact and I help people with their strategy and with actually using these tools to start putting this type of stuff together. So, so if you want to join that group, that link will also be in the description below. But these types of things right here, what's cool, I mean, any one of these offers you can put into something. I mean, it does not matter. And then, like I said, you can have a bio link like this. You could have what's comparable to a stand store. With that other demo I showed you, they have something called digital stores. And I have like free templates and things like that that you guys can download from me that I've already created. I have all that available for people too. But like I said, you can look at this. So this is basically comparable to a stand store. And I know stand store costs $97 a month to do like the payment and all this. This actually you can use free until you hit about 2,000 subscribers, or if you need to use extra tags or extra funnels, then obviously you have to upgrade, but the $27 a month plan would work for all of this. So that's pretty cool actually. And it's very inexpensive to actually be running a business. And so here, I want to show you guys an ad really quick. So this is what we're going to take these influencers right here that we've created with these two, and we're going to turn them into actual ads. Check out how flawless this ad is. It is so cool what I did right here.
Ever seen those videos that say you can get $1,000 Sephora gift card? Yeah, I didn't think they were real either until a few days ago. I clicked one of the ads to see if it was real. I filled out a form, downloaded a few games, and got a free trial to Disney Plus. After a while, I was actually able to cash out, and now your girl is about to head to Sephora to stock up. I'll put the link below for anyone who wants one too.
How cool was that ad? I mean, that was pretty sick, and that was completely AI. That was not anything special or anything like that. I mean, that was AI generated, and there are softwares and tools out there where you can put a video like that and do a face swap. You can even edit out the voice to change up the voice and then use that exact video to promote one of these offers over here. So you could literally create that same script, that same readout for several of these offers and start posting them on TikTok or Instagram or YouTube Shorts, however you feel like, whatever platform it is you're going to be promoting stuff on. So this is like this is super exciting to me, and this is the kind of stuff like I'm teaching like on Wednesdays. Like, so it doesn't matter what your business is. Like, we have a social media company. I've been running it for a long time. We have a big client base, but what is cool is we're building these AI influencers up for the purpose of having an asset that we can actually reach out to our customers and say like, hey, we noticed that you're into the health and fitness niche. Would you like us to do a shout out for you? Would you like us to do a paid promotion or a sponsorship for you? We can get our AI influencers to promote whatever we want. We control that, and then we can charge accordingly. So as you know, when this has 10,000 followers on it and people are actually engaged and clicking the links and things like that, and I go to one of our customers, I say, for a couple $100, we will do an IG reel or a TikTok reel or something to that effect, and we'll charge you a couple $100 to do it. That is like 100% profit, and we're using our own asset to make money. And that, I'm telling you, the trend in AI influencers, people know they're following AI influencers, which still kind of trips me out. I'd rather follow a real person, but I'm probably behind the trend because people are legitimately following AI influencers to get this type of information. So it is crazy to me, but these are the kinds of things that we're talking about in our private group on Wednesday. If you guys want to join us, like I said, all the links are going to be in the description below. Join Glitchy because it's an very low barrier to get into this, and you can start looking at offers and then join their Discord, because honestly they have these types of ads and they show you how to promote this stuff and use your own profiles and things like that to promote this kind of thing. And those are types of things, if you are actually branding yourself or you're an influencer, you could take the script of what that video was that I showed you and literally just recreate it and direct people to go to the link, fill out the survey, and you're going to get an $8 payout every time they do it. And you can do different offers every week. This one would be a great one for like if you have a food type blog or something like that. This would be a $12 payout. It's a cost per action. So like these are really pretty cool. You just find whatever offer fits with whatever you're promoting. So if you like this video, if you have more questions, just comment below, subscribe to the channel, follow what we're doing. I mean, come join the group. Like I said, I interact with people and answer questions every Wednesday. And that's the best way for me to, try and help people with this process. And we'll probably be offering, once these accounts build up, we're going to start offering people shout outs, and we'll market to the CPA offers for people. Obviously, we're going to charge people to do that work, but it'll be a way that people can make money. But if you kind of follow what we're doing and you use some of these softwares and things to build your own, you're going to build your own asset to where now you can start monetizing that by promoting CPA offers, by selling shout outs, by collecting emails and building an email list. There's a ton of ways you can monetize these things. You just have to get focused in on what you're going to do and what your niche is going to be. So with that, we'll see you guys on the next video.